there, Ariana from Crafting Happiness here. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet the double crochet two together. And this technique can be applied to any stitch you want. You can have a single crochet two together, half double crochet two together, and so on. To make a double crochet two together, you're basically turning two stitches into one. So let's start by making an incomplete double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook through the next available stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop, then yarn over and pull through the first two loops on your hook. And now we're going to leave this incomplete double crochet on our hook and continue with the second one, yarn over, insert your hook not into the same stitch but into the next available stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop, and make the incomplete double crochet by yarning over and pulling through two loops. And now we're gonna join these two incomplete double crochet by yarning over and pulling through all the loops on your hook. And this is how you make a double crochet two together.